Hillary Clinton walking back some stinging criticism of Bernie Sanders, calling her 2016 rival a career politician who nobody likes in a brand new documentary. She later tweeted she would support Sanders if he wins the Democratic nomination. Our man on the ground, Peter Doocy, is in Iowa, where several candidates are holding events today. He joins us live from Waterloo. Good morning, Peter.
Good morning, Ed. Bernie Sanders wound up being one of Hillary Clinton's top surrogates towards the end of the last cycle, but there are apparently still some hard feelings because the way she remembers things with Bernie in a new Hulu documentary, quote, "Nobody likes him. Nobody wants to work with him. He got nothing done. He was a career politician. It's all just baloney, and I feel so bad that people got sucked into it." And Clinton added, "It's his online Bernie bros and their relentless attacks on lots of his competitors, particularly the women." And Sanders already heard about this on Capitol Hill.
On a good day, my wife likes me, so let's clear the air on that one. Look, right now, today, I am dealing with impeachment.
And Clinton walked it back a little bit on Twitter this morning, writing this: "I thought everyone wanted my authentic, unvarnished views. But to be serious, the #1 priority for our country and world is retiring Trump. And as I always have, I will do whatever I can to support our nominee." The fight with Hillary Clinton follows recent unpleasantness with Elizabeth Warren, who accused Sanders of not believing a woman can win, and Joe Biden, who accused the Sanders team of doctoring a video to misrepresent his record on Social Security cuts. But none of it is hurting Sanders in the polls because for the first time this cycle, Joe Biden has been dethroned from his spot as the solo leader of a CNN national poll by Bernie, who has 27%. That's 3 ahead of Biden. They are followed by Warren, Buttigieg, then Bloomberg. So according to this poll, Sanders is now the national polling leader, in addition to being last quarter's national fundraising leader. And remember, the last time that he had Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez here in Iowa, he had the largest crowd of anybody in Iowa this cycle, and she is coming back here for him on Friday night. Ed?
All right, Peter Doocy, live in Iowa. Thank you, Peter.